Hey guys, wanna know how to add colors to your images by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's try and do it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to its official website. Now make sure you are signed in, and on the dashboard right here, you can see photo editor. Click on it. Now, in order to import images, so simply click on open and choose from any options that you'd like. Now once you've imported an image, make sure you are on edit, and under essentials you can see color right here, so simply click on it. Now you can adjust and add colors just like that. You can go for hue, saturation, temperature, make it warm or cold, just like that. You can also select maybe the whole image, foreground, or just the background. You choose, and once you're done with it, just simply click on apply, and that's it. Your color and saturation has been added easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.